Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1964 Buick Skylark. Please be sure to like and subscribe below, so click on that follow button, it'll give you more content. Back to the vehicle at hand, we're going to start off with the front fascia. This is a real deal 74,000 mile Buick Skylark, powered by a very peppy motor. I'm going to go ahead and open up the hood. Just grabbed for the wrong area, but take a look at how clean the engine bay is. Valve covers and valve cover gaskets have been redone. It has power brakes and it does have power steering. We went through the spark plugs as well, new fluids, and it runs and drives amazing. You could just turn the key and it fires right up. Easy to drive, easy to maintain, record radiator, and then we do have a battery that's about a year old. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Look at the front fascia for the chrome. Chrome is extremely nice. These are just water spots, it cleans right up. No dents or dings in the chrome. And the paint, it's unreal. I'd say it's an 8 out of 10, is that what you think? Yeah, 8 out of 10 for sure. All the bright work on the sides looks nice. All your bright work throughout, so it'd be kind of cool if it had a vinyl top, but it's all paint. You got all your bright work that runs through here and on your glass. And then also this is a no post car, which is what I love. When you open up the doors, listen to how it closes. It's like perfect. Interior is extremely clean and all original. Those are the original door cards, original steering wheel with a little bit of imperfections, and then the dash is so nice. Everything works inside the car. All your bright work here looks great. You've got your vents right here that open as they should, nice and easy. You've got a window visor, so the sun, and it maneuvers this way as well. And you can see that it's all original. Headliner is very nice. All your windows crank up and down as they should, and the rubber is still good. You have ashtrays in the rear, just in case your patrons want to smoke. And then look at how nice the seats are. I see one imperfection, which I'm going to fix. Right here, it looks like the string just came out. So what we're going to do is we're going to push that back in place, and you'll see in our photo gallery that it is repaired. I'm going to walk out to the rear right now, and I want to show you the trunk. Let me pull the key out. Listen to it. It's awesome. Got your Skylark emblem right here, and all the glass is very nice. No scratching or etching. I'm going to put my key inside of here and open it up. While I'm opening it, I want you to look at the chrome in the rear as well. It looks really nice. You've got your Buick emblem right here. You have a spare tire, a jack, and then a nice trunk mat. And then when you pull this up, it's extremely clean. A little bit of water intrusion, but it's nice and solid. This is for your car cover, which we will include. And all your lights are easily accessible right here. Look at the lid. So when you shake it, I don't hear any rattling. And then you do have a light right here for the trunk. Pull the key. Did you see it? Sorry. Skylark on the rear, and then, oh, I didn't even talk about how nice the body is. Look at the driver's side. When you go down, it's like perfect all the way across. There's no rippling, doesn't look like the ocean like a lot of cars you're gonna see online. Tires have 90% tread on all four, and then the brakes feel great. So we're gonna actually drive this to the tag agency today. You're gonna meet Adam. He's our kooky guy that does all our tags and titles. Passenger side's the same. I see a small imperfection right here actually. I didn't even notice that until now. See a little crack? Just something to point out. I'm just trying to cover every single thing on this car so you guys know what you're buying before you click on buy it now or make an offer. The side of the vehicle, same as the driver's side, really clean. Look at how nice that is. And the seats fold forward. And look at how clean it is as well. Just a real time capsule that you can drive and enjoy with your family. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up so you can hear it from the rear. Oh, my hat. Sounds really, really good. Let's go for a ride. We're driving down 84 right now. We're headed towards close to Plantation. It's like Davie to get our tags from Adam. Right now we're going 45 miles an hour with no issue at all. The throttle response is very easy, so you can just roll into it. Feels really good. Brakes feel great as well. So these are actually drums, but they stop evenly. We were going around 60 miles an hour. Just a cool vintage car that you can jump in with your family and enjoy. Let me turn my turn signal on. You can see the indicator working. Steering is responsive as well. It's not all over the place. You can actually turn the wheel and the steering is turning. Oh, see, the brakes work great. As I said, we're going to stop and get gas before we come back, so enjoy this test drive. Listen to that exhaust. Oh my God, it's amazing. We're pretty low. I don't feel like running out of gas here. We'll see how many reactions we can get on this thing. I actually don't know where the gas cap is. I think it's in the rear. I don't think I can reach it because of this van. He's eating a sandwich. I'm trying to back up. There you go. And that's how you pull up to a gas station. A little secret when you're filling it with gas. Here's the secret. You put your gas cap right here and it'll hold it in place. Put my card in. Fun asking for all these things to join. That should be enough. Pull this off. All right, let's go. You can see that the gas gauge works, so we got a little bit of gas. We only put about $15 worth of gas in there, but it was completely empty before. I don't like to fill them all the way up because they sit in the warehouse for, it could be for, you know, 160 days before someone buys it. Oh, it's so easy to drive. We left it running while we were filling it up with gas, no issues. The shifting, I mean, it shifts perfect. And then like this car just cut in front of us, we could just swoop out of the way with no issues at all. Just a cool car. You ready to meet Adam? He's about to take all our money for all the deals we did this week. You smell that? That's the best barbecue in Fort Lauderdale. I'll show it to you in a little bit. What is going on here? What in the heck? He must be doing everybody's tags today. How the hell are you supposed to park in here? This is where we're leaving it. Let's go see Adam. Hey, Adam. What are you playing, Tetris?
Yeah, that's what we're playing.
We got money for you.
Is it cash?
Yeah, we have cash for you.
Right. Okay. Now I'm being serious.
What's the total? 1682, right?
Yes, I told you 17, but I was wrong.
I know, because my mother was going to murder you.
I don't know, I might need 2 forms of ID, especially with that check.
I just pulled out of my underwear.
Since when you wear underwear? All right, let's start with this. For the trailer and the boat.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. This one's from that company that's been sitting here for like 3 years.
Wait, what?
That company.
Oh, for the big truck.
Yes.
And then what's that?
And then
That's for the plate that we transferred.
That we transferred that you gave me the wrong plate.
Perfect. You transferred the right plate, right?
Yes, the one that you gave me.
Okay.
For the 3rd time.
Perfect.
What are we driving?
Buick Skylark.
You want to come see it?
Yes, I actually do.
It's over there. I blocked the traffic. Got all the tags from Adam. He's the place to go to if you're getting a tag in Davie. Auto Tags and Titles. What do you think about it? It's gorgeous, yeah. You should hear it. Quiet, huh? Thank you. Yeah, we figured we'd do a test drive and come get the plates, show people that it drives and doesn't have any issues, and go home. You want to see the engine? Not bad, huh? It sounds like a sewing machine when it's running. It's pretty quiet.
You guys really came in that?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna head out before this traffic gets bad. Get back in there. Look at all these people that need tags. We'll see you later. 64. 17. We gotta go because this guy wants to get out of here. 74,000 original miles. Yeah. No, we gotta go. The guy gotta go.
10 grand down.
10 grand down, huh? How long is it gonna take you to pay me? 10 years. He wants to know if we'll give it to him for 10 grand for a 10-year payment. I'll see you later.
Bye, Adam.
Bye, Adam. We're gonna jump on the highway now. We're gonna get onto 595 to get onto 84 so we can head back to Bullitt Motorsports. Once we get around this bend, I'll open it up so you can see it at highway speeds, and that'll help you understand that you can fly in. We'll pick you up from the Fort Lauderdale airport and you can drive this thing home to California, wherever you want. We've had customers do it, and if that's what you want to do and have a journey, more power to you. But if you need help shipping it, just give us a call, 954-363-2261, and we'll be able to give you a quote for open carrier or enclosed carrier. We prefer enclosed because you're not going to have the elements, especially right now when winter's coming up. But feel how it feels in the turn right now. Nice and smooth. The transition is nice. It's not bouncing as we're taking this corner. It feels like it's planted. I hope you guys like this test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Obviously, you see us running and driving around town, getting gas. That's the best barbecue in Fort Lauderdale, Georgia Pig right there. Subscribe.